Hello friends, hope you all are good. So have you ever wondered why you yawn when you see someone else yawning? What is the theory behind yawning? So let's see. You know that you yawn when you feel tired or bored, but what is the reason? Now it is because of the low levels of oxygen in the paraventricular nucleus of the hypothalamus of the brain. Now hypothalamus it's a small portion of the brain. Basically, it is because of the low levels of oxygen in your body. And you might know cellular respiration, aerobic respiration. So, aerobic respiration that happens in your cell needs oxygen to give out energy. So, if you have low levels of oxygen, then you won't be energetic. So, for that, you yawn. While yawning, you inhale great amount of oxygen into your body. Now, do animals yawn? You might have seen cats and dogs yawning. Well, most of the mammals yawn because their brain stem is similar to that of humans. Now, brain stem it's a stalk-like part of the brain that connects the cerebrum and the spinal cord. Now, cerebrum it is the uppermost part of the brain. So yes, animals also yawn. Now, why is yawning contagious? You know that yawning is contagious. Otherwise, you won't yawn when you see someone else yawning. Okay? So, yawning is contagious. And this contagious yawning can be related to a phenomenon called as echo-phenomenon. Now, echo-phenomenon, it is you're imitating others automatically without explicit awareness. So, you're imitating actions without any clear awareness. So, that is echo-phenomenon. Okay? And also one more thing is these human mirror neurons in your brain are activated. So human mirror neuron system is a specialized group of neurons that imitate the actions and behaviors of others. Now they have specific functions. One can be to learn new skills and abilities by imitating. Second can be to recognize the actions and the intentions of people. So for example, if a person is crouching, then you will know how it feels like and maybe you might be compelled to do it also. And third is learning new languages. So human mirror neurons are present in the brain. So basically this is the theory behind contagious yawning. Why you yawn? Echo phenomenon and because of this human mirror neurons. So hope you all understood. Thank you. Bye.